In today's digital age, understanding how to protect personal information and electronic data is very important. Teach students to use unique passwords and make sure they know to check that their social network privacy settings are set to the most restricted level. Nothing posted online is truly private. People can always get access to anything if they know how. Tell students not to post much about their private information or their life, and have them log off of their devices when they're not being used. Viruses can come from anywhere, but students should learn not to open email attachments from strangers. Staying safe online is similar to staying safe in the real world. If teens don't understand the importance of digital security risks, their devices can be damaged, they can get scammed, and they can increase their risk of identity theft. By installing the latest security updates, students can protect their devices and themselves. As educators, we will be responsible for protecting our students' data, so it's very important to learn about digital security.